We have designed and manufactured a special-purpose capacitor discharge welding machine for one of our prominent customers. The process begins with the operator loading a fresh part into the fixture, which is mounted on a motorized linear actuator. At the first station, a key and camera checks for part presence. Once confirmed, the fixture moves to the second position, where the DMC code is scanned and a controlled drop of water is applied to the welding area. A dedicated vision camera then verifies the presence of the water droplet before the fixture moves into the welding zone. In the welding zone, the weld head is already prepared with a pin that needs to be welded to the part. These pins are automatically fed through a ball feeder and arranged precisely using a pneumatic mechanism. Once the fixture is clamped, the welding operation is carried out and key and cameras ensure weld quality. After welding, the fixture returns to the loading station, where the operator removes the welded part and loads a fresh one. If weld quality is not okay, then part will be rejected after crushing. This machine is powered by custom-developed software featuring biometric login, user privileges, data logging and traceability, SQL database connectivity, and much more. For more such automation solutions, visit our website www.strategiautomation.com.